Now you may ask, what is the purpose? Why should we even have model commentaries or model OECD model or UN model or US model? Why is it not that every country can draft their own treaties that they can enter into with others? What is the purpose behind all these model draft conventions or model commentaries? Now, the purpose behind model commentaries is that they provide a draft template which can be used to form treaties. Imagine a situation where every country which is entering into maybe hundreds of treaties, right, start drafting their own treaty. What is going to happen is they may have their own draft. Each country may have their own draft, right? And they'll all the time spend time wasting things which may not be very productive and will only lead to consumption of time. What a model draft commentary or what a model convention does is it provides a starting point, a draft template that can be used by the treaty partners to form treaties. They standardize concepts, right, regulations, and interpretations. Once you have a draft template, a model commentary suggests what is the meaning, what is the reason, what is the implication of a particular paragraph or a particular clause. With that standard approach, it is easier for companies, not companies actually, for countries to conclude treaties, settle problems universally arising from treaties. Now, each of these organizations, or each of these treaties for that matter, the draft model convention I'm referring to, they keep on changing with period of time based on the global experience which these organizations, for example OECD, gathers over a period of time. So if there is one issue which arises on interpretation of a treaty between, let's say, UK and USA, they may actually come back and make alterations to the standard draft or provide guidance in terms of how a particular problem should be addressed. And then they also act as a guide to the interpretation of the treaties, right? A treaty which is modeled on the OECD model, we can refer to the OECD commentary to understand what was the intention which was there behind it. So instead of every country waiting for their local courts to give judgments, right, many a dispute can be settled if this interpretation is applied in the interpretation of the treaty.